Okay guys, so today I'm checking out the Birmingham street art scene. Well, I nearly got killed then by some lights falling. Hi, morning guys. Well, I'm in Digbeth in Birmingham and I'm in a place called the Custard Factory. There's a lot of shared office space here and a lot of creative people work in this area. So we're going to have a little bit of a look around this place and you can see what a great place it is. I'm right next to Doctor Who's TARDIS, and I've been told by someone that this is the actual real Doctor Who's TARDIS that used to appear in the TV series. Now whether that's true or not, I'm not sure, but that's what I've heard. Well, for all of you guys that follow my channel, you're probably wondering, how come it's been this long and Mike hasn't had a coffee yet? So I think it's about time we did something about that. Here I am in a coffee shop finally. I'm in a place called the Mockingbird, which is a boutique cinema which has got a coffee shop on the side of it. Anyway, cheers. Okay guys, so growing up in a big city, one of the things that I used to really hate when I was younger was when people used to tag their names on things. But Digbeth is an amazing place. In an area like this, it's actually an art. There's some fantastic street art. So today we're going to take a look at this and let me know what you think in the comments below. I really like street art and this place has got a load of it.
I use it for work now, so I'm kind of used to it.
So you picked that up from an antique shop, yeah?
Yeah, in Ashby, not too far away.
Oh, in Derbyshire, yeah?
Yeah, or Leicestershire, but
yeah.
It's on the border. It's cool, nice bit of kit.
Fantastic. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today as much as I've enjoyed making it. If you have, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to tap the notification bell so you receive updates of when I post new videos. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on the channel again soon. Have a fantastic week. Look forward to seeing you guys again.